more adventuring on Floripa. Today we are going sandboarding. It's gonna be so much fun. You have the option to stand or sit. We opted to stand because we wanted to try it out because I've done a little snowboarding. I'm pretty good at wakeboarding, so I thought I'd be good at this. But there's lots of kids and people that are sitting on like wider boards that are sledding down the sand, which also looks like a lot of fun. So we got our boards. Now let's see if we don't totally eat it down the sand. Way harder than I thought it would be because I know how to snowboard, I know how to wakeboard. Sandboarding is very different. You can't like cut like on a snowboard, you just fall. At least the falling doesn't hurt. Not to mention completely covered in sand. I did it! But now I am covered in sand. It's in my teeth. It's up my nose. Oh, okay, one more ride. I got a good ride in. I'm toast, and I'm gonna go return this. If you're in Floripa and you want something fun and active to do that's really quick, come do some sandboarding. You can rent the boards for an hour at a time, and it's only 20 reals, which is like $6. And just have a blast. Running up this thing is such a workout, and then riding down is so much fun. Definitely a great morning workout, and now I gotta head to work. Now I'm covered in sand, need to shower. Literally there's like a coat of sand on my skin and my face. I'm sure I look really good right now, I can't even see. So you finish riding, and right out here is a guy selling sugarcane and coconut water. So fresh.